Hey there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard. I'm coming to you from the Rainforest Cafe in Galveston, Texas. And why am I coming to you from a Rainforest Cafe? Because believe it or not, there's a boat ride in here. There is the Rainforest River Adventure. And we are gonna go on the Rainforest River Adventure together. So come along on the Rainforest River Adventure in a Rainforest Cafe. And there's actually a ride in here. I used to think there was only a ride in the Disney one. There's not a ride in the one under downtown Disney, but there is a ride here. So let's ride the Rainforest River Adventure together now. All right, so here we go with the Rainforest River Adventure in the Rainforest Cafe in Galveston, Texas. Only 6 guests are allowed in the raft. Ticket required for entry beyond this point. Oh, I am excited. Oh yes, here we go. If you can't see the excitement on my face, then you don't understand. All right. Hello. All right. We're going this way. All right. And there's not even seat belts here. Sit over there so we balance it out, so we don't get wet. All right, and we're about to get dispatched on a Rainforest River adventure. Whew. Uh-oh, we're turning around. It looks like there's a guy with a blow dart that's about to kill us. Oh, good. He was out of breath. Oh my God, that looks like a guy in a costume, doesn't it? We just saw a furry here. El mono. Say it with us, Dora. El mono. Uh-oh, is that a snake or a penis? I can't tell. No, take a look. Take a look. Am I wrong? That looks like a penis. What? So somehow now we are going from the jungle to the African savanna. Uh-oh. I hope we don't get wet. Some ninja zebras. Why is there a tiny hippo right here? Is that not the tiniest hippo you've ever seen? An elephant has its trunk removed? Tiny hippo? Tiny rhino? Why is there even a rhino in this setting? It makes no sense. I'm totally, what? There's a vulture. These animals should not exist together, should they? Oh my God, there's real fire coming up. I see real fire. Look, that's a butterfly. Its wingspans are from 12 inches all the way to a whopping 1 foot. I feel like I'm on the Jungle Cruise. Now, oh my God. Uh-oh, uh-oh. You don't want to look behind you. That's all I'm gonna say, good sir. Oh good, it opened. Uh-oh. This doesn't look very safe. Come on, guys. That was pretty incredible. Why does this exist in Galveston, Texas? Hell if I know. But I'm smiling like a kid. You know what? On the back end of my cruise, I'm coming back here and doing 360 video. Yeah, I am. We go up the stairs, all right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hold up. Here. All right, Marshall. So this is Marshall. I met him in the comments section, and he said he's coming on the same cruise, and I said, let's go to the river adventure. What were your thoughts on this?
7 out of 10. Could be better, but really fun.
Okay, but there's nothing else around here.
No, there's nothing else.
There's nothing else around here. I love it. It's so unique. It's so random. And it's just like Disney. You have to go up a flight of stairs and then go down a flight of stairs. For some reason, oh wait, we have a photo? Stay out, danger. I am coming back here after the cruise, and I'm gonna have this posted up in 360 degrees because it is glorious. That smile on my face is not fake. I rode the Rainforest River Adventure and lived to tell the tale.